Hi guys, it's Miss Vollinger again. We are going to do our mental math lesson number 5. Today we are going to be using tens again, just like yesterday, but in a little different way. So let's get started. I'm going to share my screen with all of you, so it may take a minute as it gets there, ready to go. All right, so our goal today, our I can statement. I can use leaps of 10 on a number line as a strategy for addition. Now, boys and girls, I said strategy. This is a strategy. It's not something you have to do, but as mathematicians, we want to learn strategies that will help us be able to solve math problems in our heads faster than we're used to. Okay, so let's warm up. Do you guys remember what expanded form is? In the past, we've talked about standard form and expanded form. We know expand means to get bigger. So expanded form means we are taking a number and we are expanding it out. We are decomposing the number. Standard form is just the number itself. For example, in 36, 36 is the standard form. But the expanded form is actually 30 plus 6. We are taking the 3 tens and the 6 ones, and we are expanding it out. We are decomposing that number. But there's even another way that we can expand that number. We can expand it further by recording each 10 that is in the number. For example, 36 is equal to 10 plus 10 plus 10, which is 30, plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 36. All right, so we are going to use our 100 chart to help us skip count the tens and add the ones in our number to see if we actually get 36. So here's another way. We'll start at 10, 10, 20, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Do you see what I did there? Let's try it on 29. Ready? There are 2 tens, right? 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. And then we could also do it at 52. How many tens are in the number 52? That's right, 5. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52. Now we are going to use this strategy and model some addition using a number line, but skipping over 10 at a time. Just like we found the number of tens in the number 52, there were 5 tens, so we skipped 10 5 times. We're going to be doing that with the number line. Our first problem that we are going to work on is 25 plus 13. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do this on the number line. So I'm going to go over to my virtual number line. And because I'm starting at 25 plus 13, I've written that down so we wouldn't forget, I need to start at 25. So I'm going to find 25 on my number line here. Okay, here's 25. And then in the number 13, how many tens are there? 1 10. So I'm going to skip over 10. Now, yesterday we learned that when you add 10 to a number, the only thing that changes is the number in the tens place. The number in the ones place does not change. So when I add 10 to 25, what am I going to get? I am going to get 35. So I'm going to take and I'm going to jump from 25. Sorry, boys and girls. There we go. I'm going to start at 25, and I'm going to make a jump to 35 because that's my 10. And then after I do the 10, how many ones are there? 3 ones. So then I'm going to skip count by ones now. So now I have 35, 36, 37, 38. So, boys and girls, 25 plus 13 is 38. Okay, pretty easy. If you look at a number and you add the tens first and then add the ones, that may be faster than trying to line. I know in the past we've learned to line them up. 25 plus 13, 5 plus 3 is 8, 2 plus 1 is 3. That's okay to do too, but sometimes in our heads mentally, it may be easier to do another way. All right, let's go back and try the next one. All right. Another one, we have 26 plus 23. Okay, so what number are we going to start on with our number line? What are we going to start on? Yes, we're going to start at 26. So I'm going to get my pen ready here. And I'm going to find 26 on my number line. All right. Uh-oh, sorry about that. All right, there's 26 here. So I'm going to start at 26. Now I'm adding 23. How many tens are in 23? There are 2 tens in 23. So I am going to skip over 2 tens when I'm adding it to 26. Remember, when we skip count and we add 10, the only thing that changes is the number in the tens place. So 26, I'm going to add 10, so that makes it 36. But I have another 10 to add, right? Because there were 2 tens in the number 23. So now I'm going to add a skip count by another 10, which is now 46. And then how many ones do we see? Now there are 3 ones. Uh-oh, not sure what happened to my screen here. Sorry, guys. There we go. It escaped out of it. All right, let's go back. Oh, there it is, 46. And then we added 3 ones. So now we can say 1, 2, 3. So guess what? 26 plus 23 is equal to 49. Okay. Now, even if we didn't want to use the number line, let's do one more with the number line. And then I want to show you something that another way we can add it as well. Okay. All right. So here, 29 plus 22. 29 plus 22 is equal. We're going to go back to our number line. We're going to hit start over. Okay, and this time we're going to actually start on 29. So I'm going to go back over and find 29. And then how many tens are we going to need to add to it? We're going to need to add 2 tens. That's right. So starting at 29, I have 1 10, which I know the only thing that's changing is the number in the tens place, makes it 39. And then I had another 10, which I know will make it 49. And then I'm adding 2, 1, 2. So guess what? 29 plus 22 is 51. Okay. Now, something that I want to show you too, boys and girls, is a way you can do it if you just have the problem and you don't have a number line. If I have 29 and then 22, and I decompose 22 and 20 and 2, I can then say 29 plus 20 is equal to 49. And then 49 plus 2 is equal to 51. Okay. Again, boys and girls, this is using tens. This is skip counting tens to help us better understand addition and to mentally do it in our heads versus having to do it on paper all the time. Okay. Here's another one. 62 plus 24. I want you to write this down and try to do it this way. I'm going to leave this up here for just a second for you to get an idea of what I did. My 4 there erased. I apologize. But try your best to get that. And let me know if you have any questions. I hope you have a great day.